Okay, here we have another patient, and this is a little bit interesting too, because it's something you're not necessarily thinking, oh, this doesn't look bad at all, because it really doesn't. But here, you see how this is all rough? Like this line is rough, and this line is rough. You know, it's kind of jagged looking. Let's bring it across a little bit too, so you can kind of see the whole system. You can see that going all the way across. See that? You know, you even have a little flutter in there. All right, and you got that all the way across. Okay. Now, if you look at the second graph, he was given something called Saruta Plus. And Saruta Plus just helps the circulation. That's all it does. Helps the circulation. And look at the difference in that line. Look at the difference between that and that. You see that? That and that. Okay? So you can see it smooths it out. So Saruta helps to just kind of smooth the blood flow. Just gets it in there and smooths out that whole area. So look at that. That's amazing. I mean, we definitely have some work to do. I mean, there's a lot going on here. But just that one little supplement made that big of a difference. So anyway, you got that, right? See it. So if you want something similar to this, give us a call. Phone number 716-754-9039. And always remember, a well-nourished body is a happy body.